I was interested in this suitcase, but were the wheels actually smooth and quiet? Was it actually lightweight? Could I secure it for TSA approved locking? I have to say, after testing it out, I'm pretty pleased. The wheels really do rotate like ridiculously easy. The handle goes all the way through the bottom, and I had no issue when I was messing around with pulling it in and out. That's gotten stuck with me on other luggage before in the past. Handles feel like a rubber texture. They're pretty durable. It is locking, so you just push this release. The zippers are working well for me, and it does go all the way flat. It has an expansion unit as well. You do need to secure on one side with the elastic. The interior feels like a plastic to me, but all of the zippers work great. Here's your mesh if you have anything wet that you need to put in there, and then this zips completely closed as well. As far as the measurements on that, it is 12 inches by about 16 inches in opening there. So you do have some limitations if you have something really huge you want to put in. And as far as exterior, is about 9 inches standard with an expansion zipper as well. And that adds an additional 2 inches, which they say is 20% extra space. And one thing you have to remember with this style of suitcase, you do have to put everything in that left side, zip it all the way closed, and then that's what closed. And on this side, I really recommend closing with these elastics. And then you do have to fold the left side over the right so everything doesn't spill out. You can't just like pull them together. Just be smart about it. But that is one thing I had to learn with these more hard side suitcases. Overall, it is carry-on approved, 22 by 14 by 9 inches. It is 35 to 42 liters, depending if you want the extra space or not. I love how easily it spins. I love the quality of all the parts. Really, the zippers work great for me. It is 6 pounds, and I feel like it's going to help me avoid checked bag fees. I feel like it's well organized, and overall, I'm just kind of pleased with the quality. So it solves the problem of a little overhead bin space while giving me room to pack more. It's expandable, smooth, help makes travel simpler and more comfortable, which is really the whole point. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.